Hi there, this is Tim with an Elite Dangerous video for Exploration, which is new with Beta 2.0. Here you can see I'm flying towards an unknown target, and this unknown target was actually right next to the star when I jumped into this system. I didn't really kind of pay much attention to it. I actually went deeper into the system and then looked on the listing of objects that are in the system, saw this unknown target and started flying towards it. And kind of as I'm getting closer here, I can see that it was right next to the star, so that was obviously when I actually discovered it. And I think you have to be within something like 0.2 light seconds, if LS means light seconds, I assume it does, to actually get an unknown target. So I must have been pretty close to it. And just getting closer and closer to the star now, but as I am, I see a little white dot at the top right of the star and start to follow that, because I figure I can find this unknown target again pretty easy because it's right next to the star. But I want to find out what this little white dot is, because it didn't move like the other stars. And that's basically how you find something when you're exploring a system. You fly around and you look for stars that are not stars. And this thing appears to be very round, and I figure that I've found a planet. I still have the previous unknown target selected. You can see there's no orange marker for me to select what's in front of me yet. I have to get a lot closer to be able to do that. I'm trying to manage my speed just by, feel and sight, because I don't want to be thrown out of Super Cruise. And there we go, I've discovered a new object. Now I can select it, and I'm about 0.2 is that light seconds away when I was actually able to select it. And it's automatically scanning. As soon as I selected it, it started scanning. And it has assigned it as LHS, is that 6309 AV1. So now I'm going to go back towards the star, look at this other unknown target, and it's actually scanning this one already from this distance. And there we go, it's already assigned that as DAZ8 7, whatever that means. So I continued flying around the system. I found a planet here which is very rich in heavy metals, and now that one's assigned. And another one very rich in heavy metals again. And another one very rich in heavy metals again. And another very rich in heavy metals. I got interdicted by a pirate and had to run away. And then I found an Earth-like planet, which is quite interesting as well. I'm sure someone will be interested in this information. So I leave that independent system and I fly back to a Federation system, because the way that the information is supposed to work is that whoever you sell it to basically uses that information. So because I'm selling information on an independent system which has lots of heavy metals and has an Earth-like planet to the Federals, it's quite possible from what Frontier have said that they will eventually invade this independent system, try to take it, and try to take its heavy metals, try to take its Earth planet and settle it, and colonize it. So basically, I'm just helping out the Federation here, and I also figured that I can make more money by selling it to the Federation as opposed to selling it in the same system that I actually surveyed. So I went obviously to a fairly close system, just going to dock in this station here and sell the information. And obviously what happens too is that the other factions feel more negatively about you when you sell to a specific faction. So the Imperials might feel more negative towards me, Independents might feel more negative towards me because I've helped the Federals with this, but the Federals might give me more interesting missions, pay me more, whatever else to get this information from me.
Docking successful. Engines disengaged.
And it really wasn't difficult to do that survey. I just basically flew around in Super Cruise until I saw a star that wasn't a star, and then flew close enough for the scanner that's already fitted to my ship to work, and then I fly to another station, go into the cartographics menu, and I sell the data, and you can see 3,955 credits for not a lot of time spent, really, and I'm not that far away from where I started. I've not had to travel very much, so this is quite a good way to make money. I'm pretty satisfied with what they've done here. Thanks, bye.